Hi, this is the INFINIX Note 30 Pro and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first, you should open the Gmail application, then tap on the right upper corner, and just to log out from Gmail application, we should first log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, tap to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and click to remove account button. Then just confirm your action by tap to remove. In Google account settings, we just successfully log out from the Google account. So let's go back to the Gmail application and we could see that we also successfully log out from the Gmail app. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.